Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing Recorder app. It should be in Tools folder. Now just allow in the pop-up. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, just click on the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon over here. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square one. From here, you can delete your recording right away by choosing delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up, or save it and name it by inputting any name over here and choosing save instead. To access list of your recordings, click on those three lines, and to play the chosen one, just click on it. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. In order to delete it, you need to go back, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!